Hello guys, welcome back to Streamlab HQ, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to set up the Red Wizard Kodi 21.2 Omega builds. This particular build has so many builds or add-ons like the Red Wizard Full, the Red Wizard Family, the Red Wizard Live, the Red Wizard Touch, Red Flix Total, Ultra Light Family, Ultra Light Gratis. This particular build works on any Kodi enabled device, and it is best for people that are interested in movies, adult content, and so many other stuff. So guys, it's going to be a quick tutorial, and I want you to stick from the very beginning of this tutorial to the end so you don't miss out on any of the important steps. So before we get started guys, I will advise you to make sure you use a VPN before anytime you want to use a Kodi app. The first thing you need to do is to on your VPN to make sure that your IP address is fully secured. And I would recommend you use IP Vanish. I have an affiliate link in the description. You can get it very cheap, and they have 30 days money back guarantee. I can assure you that if you are using it, you are not going to encounter any errors during your installation, because that's exactly what I'm using. And again, if you encounter any issues while using it, your money is guaranteed. They will refund you full refund. They will give you a full refund if there's any issues with the app. So without wasting much of your time guys, let's get started. So the first thing you have to do is to click on this gear icon. Okay, and on this page you're going to click on systems, and on this panel you click on add-ons, and you check this unknown sources option and click yes here. So it's turned on already. I'm going to go back to the previous page. Then on this page I'm going to click on file manager. Okay, and I'll click on add source, and I'll click on none. So I'm going to enter a URL for the Red Wizard build. So this is the address, https So that is it guys. I'll click OK after entering it. I'm also going to leave it on the screen so you see it clearly while entering yours. So for the source name I'm going to write Red Wizard here. Sorry. I'll click OK. Okay, so it's been added to our file manager. After doing that, you go back to the previous page, and on this page you're going to click on add-ons. Okay, so I'm going to click on install from zip file here. Okay, you can see our file source name Red Wizard here, so I'll click on it. Okay, and we have two zip files here, but you have to click on repository.redwizard here. Okay, so after clicking that, you allow it to install. So guys, I'm going to pause this video. Okay, it's been installed already. It was a quick one, and I'll click on install from repository. Okay, so on this page we're going to click on this direct repo. Okay, I'll allow it to open. Let me pause it so I'll not to waste much of the time. Yeah, so once it opens, you're going to click on this program add-ons. Okay, we have a bunch of options here, but we're going to click on this the Red Wizard. So that's the wizard you're going to be installing. So click on install here. Okay, you have a bunch of options here. Okay, I'll click OK. So while it is installing guys, if you find this tutorial helpful, please, I want you to click on that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you will not miss out on my coming tutorials. And I promise you I'll be dropping so many tutorials on latest Kodi builds and latest Kodi add-ons, and I will be making it very quick. I won't be boring you at all. I will just be showing you everything practically, and I'll be guiding you in case you make any mistakes during your own installation. So I'm going to pause it till the installation is complete. Okay guys, so the installation has been completed. So I'm going to click Okay, I'm going to click OK here. Continue. So that is it, guys. Okay, I'm going to ignore this for now. And like I said earlier, make sure you are using a VPN, guys. So it's always safe to make sure your IP address, your files are protected all the time. So you can click on that IP Vanish affiliate link in my description. You'll see it's more like a customized VPN for Kodi app, and it helps protect you from any form of attack or anything at all. So to install the builds, the add-ons of this particular Red Wizard, you have to come to this home page and click on add-ons. So I'll go to program add-ons and I'll click on Red Wizard. So once it opens, yeah, we're going to click on these builds. Okay, good. So we have so many builds here. We have so many of them, and like I told us earlier, this particular build is mostly for adults, and so many options here. Okay, okay, we're going to click on this particular one. Okay, so this is the most recent Red Wizard build, the Red Wizard full build version 7.5.4, and this particular build works best on Kodi 21 Omega app and Kodi 20. So I'm going to click on install here. Okay, yes, install. I'm going to install it, okay, by clicking on the install button and it's downloading. So I'm going to pause it till the installation is complete, guys. Okay, so yeah, the installation is completed, guys, and it's extracting the files and okay, let me pause it. So guys, the installation is complete, and if you find this tutorial very helpful, I want you to good. So if you find this tutorial helpful, I would just want you to hit that subscribe button, and that is it, guys. Once I close this and reopen this app, the installation will take effect immediately. So guys, thank you guys for sticking till the end of this particular tutorial, and I'm going to see you in the next video. Do have a lovely week ahead, guys. Thank you for stopping by. Bye bye.